Over the last several days, you've had the opportunity to read and or listen to two variations of the ant and the grasshopper. All right. So one was the original fable, and either I read it to you in class or perhaps you watched the video, which you can click on here to see. And then we also read the Wonders version, which was very different, a very different setting. It was set in Africa, and it really did change the storyline, the plot of the story. So today's activity is going to have you comparing and contrasting these two stories. What are some things that are the same about both passages? What are some things that are different about both passages? I'm okay if you want to use bullet points in here, and you can access those bullet points by going over here, and you can put that right in here, and the same can happen here. It will put those bullet points right in there. And as you come down, like say you write, I'll just type hello in here. When you hit enter, it will automatically appear there for you. Okay. So I am okay if you want to just write in bullet points. What are some things that are the same? What are some things that are different?